Hi, everybody. So my name is Wang, and I'm a hardware engineer working at Meta on AI systems and network hardware system architectures. With the GPU power, computing power goes up, the memory bandwidth goes up. We are facing a challenge of the scale-up network bandwidths and the scale-out network bandwidths going up as well. And we are also having the constraints of the existing system form factors, the copper interconnect, and the rack scale system architecture. So given the demand of higher network bandwidths and given the constraints, we need to have higher speed signaling going from 228 gigabits per second today to 448 gigabits per second tomorrow, to enable this bandwidth scaling for the next generation AI systems. So there's the system design energy efficiency challenge because we want to keep the SerDes power level at a low level so that the GPUs can have their power to do the computing that this scale up and scale out network is enabling. And since this is a new generation of SerDes technology, there are a lot of things open, such as the key one being the modulation format. And there are also a lot of technical challenges associated with this modulation format, mostly on the interconnect side, because we have a lot of key pieces of a typical channel in an AI system. There's the ASIC package, there's the co-packaged or near-packaged copper connectors, there's the twin-X cables, and there's going to be the backplane connectors. All these interconnects have to evolve to enable the next generation signaling. The industry is on the right path, I think, in terms of the time frame. We are looking at, we have already started this journey to go from 224 gigabits per second to 448 gigabits per second. And historically, it feels quicker than the previous generations of SerDes speed doubling. And going forward, the ask from us to the industry is about considering the system design benefits, the challenges, and align between the demand, the system side, and the supply, the SerDes technology side, and find the common ground for us to move quickly to enable the next generation AI systems with approximately doubling capabilities. OIF is playing a vital role in this technology evolution, such as workshops like this. And of course, there's also wider industry collaboration with the other standards development organizations. So together, we could move the industry faster to meet the demand.